If you have a house in Westerville, Ohio, and the house is currently rented out or occupied, or maybe there's someone staying in the property, but you want to sell this property in Westerville, Ohio as is, and you want to sell it easily and conveniently, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin with Sell House Columbus, and for over 14 years, we have been buying properties in their as-is condition in Westerville, Ohio, all around Westerville, Ohio, and we will still close on the property even if there's someone living in the property. And the reason people love working with us is we're going to keep it extremely easy for you, the seller. We will handle any and all tenant or occupant communications. There needs to be no awkward conversations between you and the person living there. We don't need to inspect the property 100 different times. We can keep it simple, and we're not relying on some appraisal to happen because we're a true cash buyer and we're going to buy the property in its as-is condition. And you know as well as I know, any property that's lived in or occupied, they all need some type of work. Right? We're not here to nitpick the property or anything like that. We're going to buy it in its as-is condition. That means you don't got to fix anything. You don't got to give us any repair credits. You don't need to clean anything or haul anything away. We're a true as-is cash buyer. And since we're buying the property for cash, we can close on your timeline. So this is often overlooked. It's very important. But if you need to close quickly, we're not relying on an approval or a bank approval or an appraisal. We could close quickly if that's what you need, or if you need more flexibility, like something needs to happen in your life or over here outside of this transaction, something needs to happen before you could close, we can accommodate that as well. We can provide flexibility if need be, or speed if need be. So if you have a house that is currently tenant occupied, or a property that's occupied by a family member, or God forbid, a squatter in Westerville, Ohio, we will buy this property, we'll take it off your hands, we're going to make you a fair cash offer. You can give us a call at 614-300-5151, or you can visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. And when we get on the phone with you, it's a very easy conversation. We just need to know more about the property and know more about any timeline that you might be working with. We're not going to pressure you. This isn't fake urgency. This isn't sales tactics and gimmicks. We're going to make you a fair cash offer. If the offer works for you, great. If it doesn't work for you, that's okay too. We'll shake hands and part as friends. So my name is Dave Perichin. We buy Westerville occupied and tenant occupied properties. We have tons of references and testimonials and reviews. We'd love the opportunity to speak with you, give you some options. If it works for you, great. If not, that's okay too. You can give us a call at 614-300-5151, or you can visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. Once again, my name is Dave. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.